Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today you join me in the garage with my beloved 5 Series. Today is unfortunately a sad day in the garage. This thing's going to be going here pretty soon, but it's going to be replaced hopefully with something cool. So mainly these tail lights got to come out, all the decals have to come out, the steering wheel has to come out. I'm selling these to somebody that I know that has a M5, F10 M5, and then the steering wheel's for sale. And then the wrap and the wing, everything else is going to stay the same. So it's going to be a video about me just taking everything out basically, just like a bunch of B-roll. So sounds good, let's get this going. What do you have to say about that wheel installation?
It's pretty easy.
I just wanted to interrupt today's video just to let you guys know exactly what's going on with everything. I know it's kind of random, taking off some of the parts on my F10, so I just want to let you know what exactly has been going on. So currently the F10 is listed for sale. With that, we're going to be using some of the money to fund another project that's currently at a shop getting worked on. And then we're also I am currently in the process of buying another car for the channel and kind of getting that going. That'll probably be, we'll see how long that takes to get, because right now we're looking at a car. It's not exactly what I want, but it's still there and still has that potential to be something great. So I'm definitely going to be keeping you guys updated on that. The taillights for my F10 are sold. I actually sold them to a buddy who has a F10 M5. The steering wheel is not going to be coming with the car, but it's going to be sold separately, or I might be using that to possibly trade into getting some other parts with somebody else. So yeah, as of right now, the F10's listed. We have a project car that is currently in the shop, and then we have another car that is currently in the works. So stick around and enjoy the content that's to come. Thank you guys.